Animal intelligence, beyond instinct. Imagine a chimpanzee that carefully selects a twig, strips its leaves, and then inserts it into a termite mound. It patiently waits as termites crawl onto the twig. Then it pulls out the twig and enjoys a delicious, protein-rich snack. This is not just instinct, it's planning, problem-solving, and tool use. For a long time, humans assumed such intelligence was unique to our species. But the animal kingdom is full of surprising examples of intelligence. From crows solving multi-step puzzles to dolphins communicating with complex vocalizations. Scientific research is constantly revealing the depth of animal intelligence. Many animals display cognitive abilities that were once thought to be exclusive to humans, such as abstract thinking, problem-solving, and even self-awareness. For instance, elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness previously only observed in primates. Crows can craft tools from multiple parts, demonstrating advanced problem-solving skills. And octopuses can navigate complex mazes, showing impressive spatial reasoning. These findings challenge our assumptions about the boundaries of intelligence. They invite us to consider a world where humans are not the only intelligent beings. Instead, we share the planet with a diverse array of creatures, each with their own unique cognitive abilities and ways of understanding the world. Decoding animal emotions. Animals experience a range of emotions, just like humans. We see joy in a dog wagging its tail, grief in an elephant mourning its dead, and fear in a gazelle fleeing a predator. These are not mere anthropomorphic projections. Scientific evidence supports the existence of emotions in animals. Brain imaging studies show that animals have similar neural structures and activity patterns as humans when experiencing emotions. Hormonal changes observed in animals during emotional events further validate their feelings. For instance, stress hormones increase in animals facing threatening situations, indicating fear and anxiety. Moreover, animals exhibit emotional contagion, where the emotions of one individual can influence the emotions of others in a group. This is seen in flocks of birds, where a startled bird can trigger a wave of panic throughout the flock. Recognizing animal emotions is crucial for understanding their behavior and ensuring their well-being. It allows us to better interpret their actions, anticipate their needs, and provide appropriate care. By acknowledging the emotional lives of animals, we move towards a more empathetic and compassionate relationship with the natural world. The social genius of animals. Many animal species live in complex social groups with intricate hierarchies, communication systems, and cooperative behaviors. These social structures require sophisticated cognitive abilities and highlight the social intelligence of animals. Primates, for example, engage in intricate social interactions, forming alliances, resolving conflicts, and displaying empathy towards group members. Wolves coordinate their hunting strategies, working together to take down prey much larger than themselves. Bees communicate the location of food sources through intricate dances, demonstrating a remarkable form of symbolic communication. These examples demonstrate the remarkable social intelligence that has evolved in various species. Understanding the social dynamics of animals offers valuable insights into their behavior, ecological roles, and conservation needs. It allows us to appreciate the complexity of their interactions, recognize the importance of social bonds, and develop more effective conservation strategies that consider the social needs of animals. The evidence for animal consciousness is compelling and continues to mount. From tool use to emotional expression to complex social interactions, animals demonstrate a level of cognitive sophistication that challenges our previous assumptions. Recognizing the existence of animal minds is not about anthropomorphizing them, but acknowledging their unique ways of experiencing and interacting with the world. This recognition has profound implications for how we view and treat animals. It calls for a shift in perspective, moving away from viewing animals as mere objects or resources to recognizing them as sentient beings. This shift in perspective requires us to reconsider our ethical responsibilities towards animals, advocating for their welfare and ensuring their humane treatment. The growing understanding of animal minds necessitates a reassessment of our ethical obligations towards them. We must move beyond a purely utilitarian view of animals, where their value is solely based on their usefulness to humans. Instead, we must recognize their intrinsic value as living, feeling beings with their own interests and experiences. This ethical shift demands a commitment to animal welfare, ensuring their humane treatment in all aspects of our interaction with them. It means advocating for stricter regulations against animal cruelty, promoting responsible pet ownership, and supporting humane farming practices. Furthermore, it requires us to reconsider practices involving animal exploitation, such as certain forms of animal testing and entertainment, where their suffering is often disregarded. By recognizing and respecting animal minds, we not only acknowledge the richness of the natural world, but also elevate our own ethical standards, fostering a more compassionate and just world for all living beings.